A short story. A little ant and the pile of sugar. Once upon a time, there was a little ant who loved to play all the day long. One day, she saw a big pile of sugar and could not resist eating it. She ate and ate until she was so full that she could not move. As she lay there, a big bad spider came along and saw her lying still. The spider thought she was dead and was about to eat her. Then the ant suddenly moved and ran away as fast as she could. The ant learned a valuable lesson: too much of anything can be harmful. From then on, she ate only what she needed and was never in danger of being caught by the spider again. The moral of the story is moderation is key, and we should always be careful not to overindulge in anything. Thanks for watching.